Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to Tease Time. I'm TJ. Hope life is treating you all well, fantastic, all that great stuff. But today I'm going to start getting the walls reinforced so I can start doing the wall paneling which I started like right here, and then I put a break on that until I could get to the cabinet and get that stuff situated. So we started that with my pops and my uncle were up here. So today I need to work on like filling in all like these gaps right here, because this is gonna be the closet right here, another cabinet here. The water pump will sit like in here, but like I need to make paneling like so that's already like this on these beams right here. So when I put the paneling on, it has something that braces to keep it from doing like that action right there. So I already went ahead and I did cut the pieces that I need, just to kind of like save time and not be like so repetitive. But like I'm glad I did, because like the rain has been playing tricks. So I'm working around that of like getting stuff cut in between like the gaps. Like right now it's like a little wet out there. But like I started to try to get like paneling and stuff like cut ahead. So that's paused. I still have more paneling that I need to cut right there for that, but like all the wood pieces, those are cut. So reinforce right here for our closet, cabinets, some beams right here, and then also I need to like reinforce this area right here for our construction panel box outlet. It's going to say here, so the countertops are going to come about like 3 feet like here. So I just need to figure out location wise where I want to put the outlet. So I have a piece that reinforces that, a piece that also, I think here, right here, just so like it doesn't have like this big open gap, like just a little something extra. And then down here, like for the kick panels, and also a kick panel on these corners also, like right there, and on the other side right there. Just so like if you do kick it like with your foot, like it doesn't damage the wall paneling. So right now I'm just gonna get ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and start throwing the wood paneling up, the reinforcement stuff, so that way when I get all like the vinyl paneling cut, I can go ahead and just start getting all this stuff wrapped up, because I need to get all of this wall stuff done before like the cabinets and stuff goes up. So all of the paneling needs to be finished except for like this area here, because this is gonna be like water pipe shower area. So like I'll cut these panels, but I'll probably save this for last. And I still have like electrical that to do for our water pump, our tank level and our heating pads, and also for the water heater. So I already like ran the wires for that, but like all that stuff is gonna sit behind the wall. So like that area doesn't need to be closed up right now. We're still going constructing that corner, but for the rest of it, like all the paneling could go up. I think I have all the holes I need to cut, like for the walls in here are cut, like the major holes like we did for our like windows and our exhaust fans, and even like the hot water heater over there. All that stuff has been cut. So those are all the holes we need. We got our insulation up. We got our foam to fill the gaps. So right now, like just wall paneling, we're gonna get that stuff going, and then start cranking out the interior. We're gonna get it done eventually, but enjoy. It's time-lapse time. Yeah, if you got any questions, hit up the comment section below, but enjoy. And bada boom, bada bing. It's in, it's installed, it's finished. So today I just wanted to get like the framework situated so I could get the wall paneling up. So we have the wall reinforced. Let's start on this side. I put this strip here just to kind of take a little bit of a slack because there is like a difference in level because the wire runs behind here, so the insulation comes a little further out this way. So I just put this in the center so I'll balance that out. So when the wall paneling is up, it'll be even on both sides, so it doesn't look crazy like moving and stuff like that. And then right here, this is where the outlet's gonna live, like somewhere right here. The counter's like 3 feet tall. The countertop will be 3 feet tall, so about like up here. So I'm gonna put the outlet maybe like somewhere in there. And then just the kick panel, so like if you do like when you're walking by, you trip, stub your toe, whatever, you kick that, it won't mess up the wall paneling. So that's reinforced. And the same thing on this side also, reinforced panel. So if you kick, you don't like kick a hole through. So we do have these little reinforcements, like I said, the countertop. This is going to be a counter right here, like 3 feet. It should be like somewhere around right here for the counter. So this should help with that being reinforced. And then also on this panel itself, I'm going to end up putting like the water pump and the hot water heater, like the on and off switch and stuff like that. It's going to live right here. And also like the sea level. So we have our levels for our tanks, for our propane and our water tanks. All that stuff will live like right here. So that'll be nice, something to mount into that's secure. And then, like I said, with the wiring, I'm going to do all the wiring is going to be behind this. So I'm going to leave these open for last. And then I'll put like the relays and the wire and everything will live behind the wall. And then also the water pump I plan on putting right here. So when the countertop is, the counter is built, I plan on having like an access panel like in here just so I could get in to change this. If I need to change this, I just want to make it sure it's easy to access. So I'll figure that out when I build the cabinet for this. This is going to be the sink area right here. And then also on this side, same, we got some paneling reinforcements for the wall paneling, but the shower will live like right here. And I'm thinking like the shower head might use this, like drill a hole through for the water to go up through this. So this is still kind of under construction in my head. So like I said, like I'm gonna get like the paneling and stuff cut, but like this side I'm gonna just leave like open until I could do like the electrical and stuff, get that stuff mounted, and then figure out like the routing of the water lines, and then we could like finish that area up. But for the closet, I put these, this is 3/4 inch thick plywood, and it goes over to like 3/4 inch also on this side. So I plan on putting like a hanger coming straight across for the closet. Probably built like a shelf up here, hanger to hang clothes and stuff like that, then like another like shelf right here. So this is going to be like the closet area. So I just wanted to make sure like this is nice and secure and strong. Like this will be able to hold, like if I put a hanging rack going across, it should be secure, strong enough. And then this is just gonna be like a cabinet, like an extra like space. I'll put like some little shelves in and like figure out like little doors or something, just so you have like a little extra storage, you know, make the most of the space. But yeah, that's about it for the wall paneling. I just have to like cut the sheets out and just like route like the shapes and stuff like around like everything. So it shouldn't be like too difficult. It's just like the cutting is just a little time consuming, and then like with the wet weather, I usually cut the paneling like on the ground and like on the truck. I just don't want to get like the paneling wet. It should be fine if it does get wet, but just that's extra cleaning and stuff like that. So like when it's dry out, I'll finish cutting that, and then we'll finish up the wall. So that'll be like a later date, another video. I don't know if it's going to be the next video, just due to like weather and stuff like that. Like I'll let that determine when the wall paneling will get done. But for right now, the reinforcement for the wall paneling and preparation for the wall paneling, it's complete. And these strips right here are what's going to divide like the wall paneling, like that right there, that strip. And then I have some double stick sticker tape right here. We're gonna put these like going along like the plywood and stuff like that, like space it out, so it's something like to stick to. I'm thinking I'm gonna use those. I'm not too sure, but like those came with the paneling that I used for the ceiling, which I didn't use because I screwed all these in. So I might use those, repurpose those for the wall paneling. So that's it. So we're finished. We're done. We're getting there. We're making small steps to make big strides. So we're getting there. So until next Wednesday, it's all about the foundation. Don't skip the foundation and build off of that. If it's weak, it will crumble. Peace. TJ.